Welcome back to your 3ds Max tutorial series. Today we're going to look at another common problem that beginners usually run into, and that is while you're trying to make a rectangular selection by clicking and dragging with the mouse cursor, you may find out that sometimes that rectangular selection turns into a circular selection, or sometimes even it turns into like a polygonal lasso tool or something else, and you cannot for the sake of it find out how to revert it back to being a normal regular rectangular selection tool. So for that, I want you to go up here. It is right next to the select object and the name object and the name selection button, and you can see that there's a rectangular selection region, rectangular select tool or whatever it is currently on over here, and you should click and hold and then drag out, and you can see that you have a lot of options over here. So if you go and select the first one again, you can see that you've got your regular selection tool once again. So if we click and hold and drag and select this one over here, you can see that it's doing the polygonal lasso tool. So that is a little tip on how to prevent that from happening and how to get it back working if ever you run into this problem. So hopefully that helped, and we'll see you in the next video.